Welcome to Course Sales. This is a tutorial about how to create a course master. Now the way things work in course sales is that course masters are in effect the templates for the course dates that you'll create. So the course masters have things like the currency, the standard pricing, the course category, that's the type of course you might be creating, and all that information is stored in the course master, and effectively the course dates hang off those course masters. So those course masters are very important because they'll define the default details and often the only details of many details within each course date. Things that are unique to the course date, of course, are things like the date that the course will actually be delivered. Even the pricing is unique to a course date, and the course description can be unique to a course date, as is the venue. But other details are all related to the course master. So let me show you how to create a course master. Now you may wish to create a course master the easy way, which is basically duplicating an existing course master. So let's say, for example, I want to create a new course master from the Process Credit Applications course master. In this case, it already exists, it's already got details in it, so I just click on this icon here which says add based on this course master. This is a duplication feature, and that icon and button you'll see all through course sales, and when you see that, you know it's a quick way to create whatever item you want, in this case a course master. So if I click on that, it's going to put me into an editing process and already select all the details around that existing course master. I've got the duration, I've got the course format, the course category, even the name is the same. Now make sure you change the name, of course, because you're going to want to create a new course master and distinguish it easily from the existing course masters. So as you can see there, everything's copied in. What isn't copied in, however, are any links. Okay, so if you have any links, such as people that you've connected to or roles you've connected to the course master, or people you've connected to the course master, then you're going to need to recreate those. So just keep in mind it doesn't recreate the links. Okay, so that includes files that you might want to link to from the course master as well. But let me go back to the course master. Let's assuming we're not going to go the easy route and just duplicate or add based on an existing course master. Let's say we're going to create one from scratch, which is a bit more work, particularly though we might need to do this if we don't have a lot of the details or it's a completely new course that we're adding. Now, one of the things we want to do, let's add a new course master. So click on the new. Let's say there isn't anything that we can use from existing course masters, although usually there is, so do keep that in mind. We've then got a few things. We want to call it a name, so let's call it Tiddlywinks. We're going to create a Tiddlywinks course. Oh, that's Tiddlywinks. Now, a Tiddlywinks course, we haven't got a course category for that, so we're going to have to create a new one. Now, this is where you want to create a new course category. Now, the best solution I can recommend is you create another tab within your browser that you can use to create these things, and course sales will be able to auto-populate them as you create them. So if I click on, I want to click on the options button. I'm going to hold the control key down because I'm in Firefox, and that will open up another tab, and it will enable me to add another course category in. So let's have a look here. I'm going to add in a course category. Tiddlywinks Advanced. Make it active. And that's fine, I don't need to include any more information. So there we go, we've added that course category. I'll go back to the course master, correct the spelling on Tiddlywinks, and Tiddlywinks Advanced has now appeared as a course master there. Now, duration for this course is 2 days. The course format, let's see what we've already got. It's a 1-day course. I'm going to use that 1-day course format that already exists. Course description. There's no course description in there already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a course description. I won't bother about putting a course category because I'm going to make this available. I don't have too many courses, so I'm not fussed about that. And I'm just going to say here, this is go. Just make sure there's no more details I have to fill in. It's going to be active, so I add it. I'll look here, and there it comes up. It comes up as an option. Choose Tiddlywinks. No, don't need a residential description for this course. Choose the branch as being the same organization. Terms and conditions, I think I'm going to use the same terms. Process path, I'll use all those will be the same. And then document topic will be the same as well. So this course, I have the pricing in. This is the default pricing I'm going to use. So that'll mean that there's going to be a bit of a discount there. I'll allow people to discount even further down to 100. Won't include a residential price. That's a price that goes on top of an existing price. Course cost in this case, it's costing us $400 to run the course, and we have $10 worth of course materials. I'm not going to have any alternative prices. Currency is going to be in Australian dollars. Not going to have it. I don't think I've got a tax rule type set up. I'm not using one here. Payment group will be just the standard, and I don't have a catalog group. Total places, we can take 5 people on this course, and it's going to be a public course. So these are for any of the course dates that I'm setting up. These are the details that are going to be used. Make completed. Now this is about when we're going to change the status to completed, and that is not make it so it doesn't appear on the website. So there's a bit of work involved with this. So 2 days before the course is due to start, we're going to take it off the website. I'm going to make this course master active. So there we go. I've created all the details required for this course master. I'm going to go ahead and add that. And now it's added it, I can now add dates if I want to. So if I want to add dates to this course master, I can do that. I'll click on add dates. And let's just add a few dates in here. Monday, 6th, 13th, and 20th. Add to the list. We'll deliver it in Brisbane, Queensland at the Marriott. And I don't need to adjust anything else. I'm happy with everything else that's in there. You can see the details have been carried across from the course master into this particular course date. I'm going to click add, and that's going to show me the course dates that I've set up. Now it is important to remember the links haven't been created yet. So really what I need to do is I need to use the contextualization of the ribbon to edit a course date, and then edit the master. So now if I click on this edit on the master, it's going to edit the master for the course date that I'm editing now. Okay, because the ribbon knows where I am. So I click on edit here, and now I'm editing the course master of the course date. And I can add down the bottom here, people by role. So I can add myself as the trainer. There we go. So we're all set up now. We have the trainer set up at the course master. I don't need to set up the trainer at the course dates, because by default the course dates are going to use the trainer's details at the course master. That's the beauty of having a course master. I hope that was useful to you. Remember to use that add based on this button. Very useful way to get up and running nice and quick. Okay, thanks very much. Look forward to seeing you at another tutorial. Cheers, bye.